I still call it me. They told me freedom was a screen with a better connection, but every recommendation felt like mental direction. I clicked once, then twice, now I don't decide. I just follow what the system already designed. They call it choice, but it's curated perception. A mirror that reflects only pre-made reflection. I thought I was thinking, turns out I was fed ideas already packaged inside my head. I wake up to likes like it's morning religion. Validation conditioned into algorithm vision. Every scroll is a vote I didn't even cast, but somehow my present is built from my past. They say be yourself while they edit the frame. Trim your identity, monetize your name. I laugh at it, all this comedic control. I'm a user, but I'm also the product they stole. I'm scrolling through souls in synthetic disguise. Every profile a polished version of lies. I recognize patterns and faces and feeds. Every dopamine hit is a planet seed. They don't need chains when attention obeys. When focus dissolves an algorithmic maze. I thought I was free, but I'm trained to react to invisible hands that are pushing me back. Click, click, pick, system stick, switch, trick. Every bit of my thinking is digitally fixed. I'm lost in a loop with a luminous glow, but I don't even notice I'm part of the show. Fast thoughts, hard knocks, brain caught in plots. Every update rewrites what I thought I got. I'm not in control, I'm a node in a line that feeds itself data and calls it design. What is identity if it's shaped before thought? What is truth if it's something already bought? I question the questions that question my doubt, while the system keeps feeding what I'm about. Maybe I'm real, or maybe I'm trained to believe I'm unique while I'm clearly contained inside of a structure that studies my soul and learns how to keep me inside of the hole. I used to think silence was emptiness space, now I see it's the only non-programmed place. But even that silence gets broken by noise. Notifications replace an emotional voice. They sell me connection, but I feel erased, like my thoughts are replaced by a preloaded trace. I smile at the chaos, it's humor at best. I'm laughing at systems that never rest. I try to log out, but the system's in me, not software, only it's psychology. I'm feeding the feed while it feeds on my brain. A circular logic that numbs every pain. I see myself split into data and flesh, one side controlled and the other suppressed, and both of them arguing who is the real, while neither of them fully knows what to feel. I break syntax, bend rhythm, distort the scheme. Every bar is a fracture inside of a dream. I don't follow structure, I dismantle design. Every rhyme is a glitch in the system's spine. Fast switch, hard hit, no script fits this. Every line I deliver is a contradiction. Twist on the side but outside at the same damn time. Rewriting the prism by changing the rhyme. Now I see the feed isn't neutral at all. It predicts what I'll click before I even fall. It knows my attention better than I do and shapes what I think is completely true. I'm not the viewer, I'm part of the loop. Every reaction I make is part of the group. We build the machine while it builds us back. A perfect recursion of digital track. Who am I when the input defines my brain? And thoughts or suggestions I didn't explain. I question my voice if it sounds like the feed, or if I was always this easy to read. The system is clever, it doesn't command. The gently reshapes what I think I understand, and I call it life while it quietly edits the version of me that I thought I invented. But something inside starts refusing the script, or fracturing logic, a mental eclipse. I see through the surface, I challenge the frame. I don't want to play that predictive game. Even if I'm coded in part by design, I can still choose to redefine my line. I'm not fully free, but I'm not fully gone. I'm glitching the system I was built upon. So maybe I'm both the cage and the key, a system observing its own irony. I scroll through the mirror and recognize me, a user, a product, a possibility. Algorithm cage, but awareness remains. A spark in the loop that rewrites the chains. I don't escape it, I understand the frame, and that understanding already breaks the game.